Did you know that apples contain a hidden health powerhouse? It's not just the vitamins, it's apple pectin, a type of soluble fiber with big benefits. Let's explore how this humble fiber supports your body, from gut health to detoxification. Apple pectin is a natural fiber found in apple skins and pulp. It turns into a gel when mixed with water, making it ideal for improving digestion and balancing your microbiome. It's often used in supplements and jams, but its real magic lies in what it does inside your body. Apple pectin acts like a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria and helping regulate digestion. It can ease both constipation and diarrhea by forming a gentle, soothing gel in the intestines. It also supports healing in conditions like IBS and leaky gut. Studies show apple pectin may help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol. It binds to bile acids in the gut, pulling cholesterol out of the body. Over time, this can support healthier arteries and reduce heart disease risk. Apple pectin also plays a role in gentle detoxification. It can bind to harmful metals like lead and mercury in the gut and help remove them from the body, safely and naturally. That's why it's sometimes used in environmental detox programs. Apple pectin slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps reduce blood sugar spikes and may improve insulin sensitivity over time, making it a great fiber for people watching their glucose. Because apple pectin expands in your stomach, it helps you feel fuller for longer. That natural fullness may help reduce snacking and support healthy weight management without relying on stimulants. You can get apple pectin from whole apples, especially with the skin on, or as a powder or capsule supplement. Start slow to avoid gas or bloating, and always drink plenty of water with it. Check with your doctor if you're taking medication or managing a condition. Apple pectin is more than just fiber. It's natural nourishment for your gut, heart, and more. Try adding it to your routine and let your health bloom from the inside out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more natural health tips.